what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can add YouTube stream key to OBS Studio. So first of all, make sure that you are logged into your YouTube and that you have launched your OBS. Now as you are launching your OBS, you will see a screen like this. Here, access settings. Now under settings, you will see stream. Select stream. Under service, select YouTube. You will also see RTMPS, select YouTube. And likewise, you're going to have to select use stream key. And this is exactly where you paste your stream key from YouTube itself. For example, if you have your YouTube stream key already copied, simply paste it right here. Now, if you don't have it yet, select get stream key. And as I do that, it will lead you to your YouTube. There you will see a stream key, copy it, come back onto this OBS Studio, paste it here, then select apply. And likewise guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.